YouTubers, what's happening? I am coming back at you today or tonight with a video for Home Depot seeds. I've done a video on this product before, but I had some technical difficulties on my video. You can see the steps and what we did. We actually did the countertops in the RV, which turned out great. I have, you can go to that video and see everything we did. But I did get some comments that they couldn't hear it. That was the technical difficulty. So I put music over it because the sound was so low. So I figured this time I'm just going to explain it. You can go to that video if you want to see how it's done. But I'm going to go through the whole explanation of why we like it so much. I actually ordered another color and we're going to do the cabinets, but we're not ready yet. So like I said, if you want to see how it's done, you can go to the other video on Beyond Paint. This product is, I really like it. It's pretty super. It's no stripping, no sanding, no priming, okay? And you can use it for wood, linoleum, glass, laminate, plastic, varnish, tile, masonry, metal, painted surfaces. Okay, so like I said, we put this on the countertop, and the way I test countertops for a product is by taking a knife, okay? Taking a knife, what I usually use a chef's knife, and chop up an onion or chop up a pepper. If you could see the cut impressions on that countertop, that's not really doing the job, because you don't want to go over and redo your countertop every time somebody chops something on your countertop. I know you're supposed to use a chopping block, but a lot of people don't. Now with this product, as any product, it has a dry time and it has a cure time. Okay, the cure time for this was about 2 weeks. Okay, before the 2-week period, we accidentally got water trapped under there and we had to redo the area because it wasn't cured yet. And you will see, before it's cured, if you put water on top of this product, it'll turn lighter. Okay, so it's okay to get it wet, but not leave the water sit on it before the 2-week period. The 2-week period, that's the curing time. And then I like to use the expression hard as an eggshell. When that sucker gets hard as an eggshell, then you're not going to put any knife impressions or anything. Okay, now some products I use, you can let them cure till eternity, and they will never cure enough to get to that expectation. But this product here does do the job. It looks good. You roll it on. Okay, so what I did was, let me go through it for you, just the steps. You wash it down with a wet rag, okay, let it dry. Then you're going to take, I just use alcohol. You have to use a cleaning product, a product that is not petroleum based. That's why you use the alcohol. So some of that other stuff, paint thinner and all, that is petroleum based. This here, alcohol, not petroleum based. So you take this and you're going to put it on a rag, okay? Get yourself a lint-free rag. This one's not that clean, but it's the closest one. Okay, soak it up in here, put some gloves on, rubber gloves, soak up the rag. You're going to wipe it down totally, the affected area you're going to paint. Okay, after that's done, you're going to have yourself a little brush, a roller. This is 3/8. I used a foam roller in mine, which worked fine. But I don't think it's going to matter if you use a foam roller or use this, because it takes, this paint takes its own texture. So it looks the same no matter what you use. I took this, you can either pour it on and roll it, and then touch up with the brush. Or you could dip the roller right in the paint and roll it on. Now you're going to want to put up all your tape and paper, whatever you use, so you don't get it on your sink or on your backsplash. Just tape those edges and then cut in with your small brush. Okay? That's basically what we did. And like I said, this is the first really product that is as simple. I mean, there are products out there, but you got to have a spray gun, you got to have evacuator fan and all kinds of stuff. And, you know, usually you hire somebody to do it. This stuff right here, we experienced it. You just paint it on. Well, first clean it, then paint it on, and it will look great. It endures a lot of stuff, and it lasts long. So, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments, guys. Mr. Fix-It coming at you with a great product. You can go to HomeDepot.com and pick it up. I do suggest, if you're doing any countertops, painting some, you know, some furniture, doors, cabinets, try this product out. It's great. Okay? Comments, questions, like it, subscribe. As always, share the video, man. Subscribe. I need subscribers. I want to do it live. Thanks for coming. I'm out.